Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Monday afternoon weather webcast for September 8th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Another unsettled day. The weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, good rains around the Wiregrass and the southeast, and today was no exception. More rainfall for us, a very thirsty southeastern region and the tri-state area here needed some rain, and we definitely got it the last couple of days. And today, once again, good rain chances, and we'll start right off the bat with that. The showers kind of collected. We had a few early this morning, but then as the afternoon wore on, the sea breeze started, and trigger from a stationary front that's been hanging out over the southeast clicked, and that's why we've got numerous showers and thunderstorms around the area right now. We'll get to more in depth where they are and where they're going here in just 1 second. Temperatures all over the map, literally, from the low 90s in Andalusia all the way down to the mid-70s in Geneva and Mariana, where things have been very wet today. 80s down closer to the coast. We're at 82 in Dothan, 87 Abbeville, 87 in Troy, and 85 in Enterprise. If you didn't see any rain today, which not a whole lot of people have, maybe in the northern parts of the viewing area, it's been very cloudy all day long. We'll show you why here in a second. But you see numerous showers and thunderstorms all over the area. A very, very general motion has been to the north slowly as the sea breeze has gotten going. But this is the strongest storms right now setting up along that sea breeze just south of Dothan in Houston County in the northeastern part of Geneva County, also in the panhandle of Houston County. Then we'll work our way over to the southern end of Coffee County, just south of Enterprise, and then in Covington County, basically from Andalusia down to Opp and Kinston, and folks in Floralis seeing some light rain. So all over the map, really some good showers all over the place. And the general motion has been from the south to the north today, riding along that sea breeze, and have kind of developed along some of those boundaries that have formed out from some of the dying out storms and that sea breeze that have got going. But a lot of rain off to our east and west still. I think these showers hang with us for the rest of the evening. They'll start to dissipate during the overnight hours and then reform over the Gulf waters as a stationary boundary kind of hangs out. So this is what we've got over the Gulf Coast states. Lots and lots of rain, and there you see lots of moisture from the south. That stationary boundary basically hanging out closer to the coast and through South Georgia, and that'll be the focus. That has been the focus for today. We widen out the view, and you see a lot of rain to our north and east. Over the Carolinas, it's been soaking for today. We've got flood advisories up. We'll show you those here in a second, but from the Florida Peninsula over to the Carolinas and even closer to here, we're kind of the western periphery of the rain. Off to our west, they've been pretty clear and warm today with that area of low pressure in southeast Texas and Louisiana, and there you see the area of low pressure at the surface and in the upper and mid levels in the Carolinas, and that's been the catalyst for their showers and thunderstorms. There's a slight chance that was going to become tropical in some nature, but that chance has been lifted by the National Hurricane Center, not looking at that for any tropical development. What we are looking at here are some flood advisories. The darker shaded green areas are flood warnings. Also down in the northeast Florida region, down west of Jacksonville. But folks from Raleigh to just east of Charlotte seeing some pretty heavy rain. The green outline, those are flood watches, and even have some strong storms and some heavy wind to the mid-Atlantic states, Delaware, Virginia, and Maryland, seeing some pretty stormy weather up there as well. So just unsettled pattern all throughout the southeast and the mid-Atlantic because of those areas of low pressure. All right, let's talk about our futurecast. Showers dissipating overnight. Tomorrow morning we'll see clouds and most likely some fog in the spots that picked up some rain today. Tomorrow afternoon, not looking too active at all. The stationary boundary will kind of retreat to the north as a warm front and lift on out, and that'll open up the door for high pressure to move in. The subtropical ridge to our east will build back to the west, and that will keep us fairly dry, although very humid for the next couple of days. So this is the last real rain chance for this week until we most likely get to the end of the week. We'll see better rain chances then. But future temperatures, low and middle 70s. We'll be back into the low 90s for tomorrow afternoon with some upper 80s sprinkled in. It all depends on the cloud cover, which could be pretty thick at times tomorrow afternoon. So probably right near 90 degrees, a pretty good bet for afternoon highs tomorrow. But the rain chance has come down. I know we've had some pretty good rain here the last few days. That'll cut into our drought situation. That's some good news. It'll feed some very thirsty lawns, and it'll make some farmers very, very happy indeed. Probably around when it's all said and done over the last 3 days, some folks have picked up anywhere from an inch to a couple of inches, and that's exactly what we needed for this last 3-day span. Thanks for clicking on the Afternoon Weather Webcast. If you have any questions or comments, please reach us at the social media sites below. We'll see you back here on Tuesday. Take care, everybody.